Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews and insights. If you're in the market for the best makeup palettes kits, look no further than the UNIFULL 190 Colors Makeup Palette. This all-in-one makeup set is a must-have for both beginners and professionals alike, offering a full spectrum of products to create any look you desire. This impressive kit includes 90 shimmering eyeshadows, 90 matte eyeshadows, 2 blushes, 2 pressed face powders, and 6 eyebrow powders. It also features 6 applicators, an eyeliner pencil, a full-size mirror, and even 3 lipsticks, making it a perfect travel companion or a gift for someone special. You won't have to worry about carrying multiple products, as this set packs everything into one sleek, portable case that opens like a compact book with easy access to each product. The design of this makeup set is truly thoughtful. The 3-dimensional pull-type box makes it easy to store and access everything, while the high-quality ingredients ensure that the colors are easy to blend and provide long-lasting results. From bold metallics to subtle matte shades, you have all the tools to create the perfect eye makeup or a full-face look. What makes this set truly stand out is its versatility. Whether you're just starting your makeup journey or you're an expert looking to experiment with new styles, this kit has something for everyone. The colors are highly pigmented, so a little goes a long way. Plus, the makeup is designed to be skin-friendly, offering lasting wear without irritating your skin. Not only is this kit functional, but it's also designed with convenience in mind. It's lightweight and easy to carry, so you can take your makeup wherever you go, whether it's a weekend getaway or a long trip. Plus, the full-size mirror makes applying your makeup on the go that much easier. Whether you want a fresh, natural look for the day or a bold, dramatic look for the evening, this makeup kit gives you endless possibilities. The high-quality brushes and applicators help blend everything seamlessly, making it simple to achieve professional-level results. If you're a makeup enthusiast or a beginner looking for a one-stop shop for all your beauty needs, the UNIFULL 190 Colors Makeup Palette is the perfect choice. So there you have it. If you're looking for the best makeup kit to add to your collection, this one ticks all the boxes. Be sure to check it out and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.